And once again back with our everyday segment Market Talks with Pinnacle. So what a day we had today, amazing day. And market fell from the highest point. So this is how market says, this is what I had written in yesterday's commentary, if you remember. And commentary as in, if you guys are still thinking what is the commentary, then most probably you are not following our channel on Telegram still. So make it a point to follow our Telegram channel. You can find the link in the video description below of our Telegram channel where we post an everyday commentary. So it was a really amazing day. We had discussed yesterday also in the commentary itself that market is supreme. It will never do what you want it to do. It will always do what it has to do, and that is what happened today. Every day, everybody was expecting that market will go up. Market will go up, maybe new lifetime high is on the cards. But again, markets had some other plan, if you can see it from the charts itself. And there was a reason, friends, for that. If you remember, we were discussing about the level 18,666. I'll just do one thing. I'll draw a horizontal line at this point of time here. So this is the point. This was the level we were discussing about, 18,600. See, we got it almost accurate. So we were discussing now. If you see, or that yesterday entire day we were trading below this level, right? So technically, if you ask me, if we would have been above this level, if we if this move above this level had to sustain, then we would have had a run up move yesterday itself. But that did not happen. In fact, bears managed to keep us below this level throughout the day. That is the reason there was something fishy. And now what happened today? Today also we had clearly mentioned that if we remain below this level, then the next level that we would watch forward would be 18,580, if you remember. And this line we had drawn yesterday itself, so you can clearly see this level. If this level fails, then next level of support which was expected was at 18,540, and if that fails, 440 was the immediate target, although we fell below that, but that happened. And now the most important thing which happened, if you look at the daily candle of Nifty, it looks like a bearish engulfing candle, and we all have discussed it very clearly. This looks like an evening star. So with the bearish engulfing candle, you can definitely expect some more pullbacks in the index. We have already discussed that the pullbacks can come up to 20 EMA or even 50 EMA, or maybe even a little below that. So this is not the time to get worried. In fact, this is an opportunity you need to understand. And also we have discussed it multiple times that mid cap and small caps can now take the driver's seat, and maybe Nifty can go in and or can just go into some consolidation mode as of now. So this is what you are seeing. You can see some more pullback, maybe something around to the level of 18,200, 250, or if you are a fan of fancy numbers, maybe we can even see the level of 18,181. Let us see where the index takes us. But for the time being, this is for sure that yes, we can go a little bit more lower, maybe at least a couple of 100 points is what I am expecting. So let's be watchful, but that does not mean that you should short outrightly, because it might happen that before going down it can have a small rally on the upside. So we need to be careful now. But one more thing, note the important levels for tomorrow. 18,580 outrightly becomes the most important resistance, but I am not going to talk about that right now. Right now, The most important level will be 18,500. Why 18,500? Because that is where the 20 days moving average now stands. So something which was a support can very easily now become the resistance. So 18,500 becomes the most important resistance on the upside. Any upside to that could be sold into. However, a close above that, maybe somewhere around 18,540, 550, could once again mean that there is a strong reversal on cards. So now till the time we remain below 18,500, it is a shorting opportunity for a couple of 100 points. So this is the level that we need to mark, and on the lower side 18,400 definitely is the point below which you can enter your short positions for some quick shots. Short side, again, no recommendation. This is, please do your research before doing anything. On the upside, very clearly, this must be very clear to all of you that above 18,666 only you are going to go long positional. Till that time, avoid at least till you find some good support. And let us discuss about our bank nifty. Bank nifty also, if you see, we were very clearly unable to break yesterday's high, and once morning lows were taken away, which was around 44,000. We had discussed it very clearly that if we go below 44,000, we can see a pullback, maybe till 43,800. So you can see this line, we had drawn it yesterday itself. A pullback happened till 43,800. We had some bounce, but again, once this started to go, the fall was much obvious. And if you see, if you remember this box, we try to just we extend it on the right side, and you will see that we found support just at the top of the box. So technically bank nifty has closed exactly at support. Let us see how it works out. But again, the most important support now for bank nifty again stands at 43,333, below which we can have a pullback of another 200 points maybe. Let us see. On the upside, 43,800 remains the most important resistance, friends. These levels will be mentioned in morning commentary also. So if you want, you can note down. If you want, you can just remember these levels. You will have these levels mentioned there. But it was a great shorting opportunity for the day. Tomorrow, I'll just say one thing: don't run in for shorts outrightly, because now we had a long day, and bank nifty fell by nearly 700-800 points, and nifty fell by nearly 250-260 points. So don't expect another follow through on the downside tomorrow itself. Maybe tomorrow could be a bit subdued. Yeah, if there is upside, you can have some small scalps, but if you don't have upsides, don't chase, because if market breaks and you feel that it is a breakout on the downside, market can trap you on the downside. Don't forget that we are still in a bull market. So don't chase it if we start to break in morning itself. In that case, you can even wait for reversal, and if reversal comes, you can have a decent enough or a tradable bounce. So for tomorrow, be very clear. Either if you have to short, you should wait for the resistance, you should wait for the right opportunity. Otherwise, don't try to trade. Just immediate breakdown in the morning first hour itself could be a big trap for all of you. Yesterday we discussed Ashok Leland. Once again, you can see that we are getting pulled back to the same level. So we have to keep it a watch. See, one thing will be sure: either we will have a short trade or we will have a long trade in this counter. So you have to keep this under watch. What happens? Don't outrightly buy. As of now, we are near the support. We have to wait for it. We had a very good trade in Tata Steel today. If you can see the dotted line here, so actually if we would have gone above this level, it would have, you can see that I had placed an alert here. So above this level, we would have gone for a breakout, and we were just we just could not cross that level, and once that started to fail, so this is what I have been saying. See, on the one side I was expecting that it could break out, but the moment this started to fail, we took a short trade. So this is the beauty of trading, and this is the beauty of technical analysis that all of you need to understand. If you really want to succeed in trading, if you really want to succeed in technical analysis, one thing that you can do with yourself is that you should not stick to your views. एकदम व्यूज के साथ चिपक के नहीं बैठना है. अगर लगता है कि ये फेल हो रहा है, इमीडिएट अपने व्यूज को चेंज करिए और अपने पोजीशन को एडजस्ट करिए और दूसरी साइड प्रॉफिट बनाइए. हो सकता है कि आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया हो, वो नहीं चल रहा है उस डायरेक्शन में, आप उसको इमीडिएट रिवर्ट करिए. अगर चार्ट्स वैसा आपको बोलता है तो हो सकता है आपको ऑपोजिट साइड में ज़्यादा बेटर रिजल्ट्स मिल जाए. सो इस चीज़ को हमेशा याद रखिए, कभी भी अपने व्यूज़ के साथ चिपक करके मत रहिए. सो this is it guys for today, keeping it short. We cannot have a new topic almost every day, but still whatever I am trying to share here, it's very important knowledge which I have gained through years. So try to learn as much as you can through this. Okay, so thank you guys. Do follow our channel, and do write a small, if you like our videos, then keep writing comments and share with your friends. At least this motivates me to keep making videos for you. Thank you friends.